Today I'm going to be reviewing, look at this, PQRQP. They're little lavalier mics, really nice. I have one here where I put the little sound shield on. This is how it looks like without that. Really like these. I want to thank them for sending these to me to review. It's a great little package. I mean, the biggest thing is that it's got 18 hours of battery life for these, for the lavaliers. So if you're out and about, you're just not going to have to worry about it. You've got this right here. This is going to receive everything. So look at what you've got. You can put it into an Android. You can put it into an Apple. You put it into your computer, and it even has another adapter if you need that too. So it's really got everything that you need, and it sounds really good. I tried this out on my PC or my laptop upstairs, and it sounds really good. You can clip it on if you want. You can see on the back. You can just clip it on here. You don't have to have the shield on it if you don't like that. A lot of times you'll see on YouTube people just walk up and just say, hey, just put it right there in front of them and talk to it. It's going to sound much better than your phone. And if you're trying to level up a little bit, this is going to help. Now, a lot of people don't know. A lot of people use soundboards and they edit stuff afterwards to get that really clean sound. And you're probably going to have to do that with no matter what you get. But you get a good sound from this to be able to work with, and that's the most important. I mean, this is a #1 bestseller on Amazon. It's got 4.4 stars, almost 4,500 reviews, and last month, October of 2025, 4,000 of these were bought. So I mean, people are buying it. I can see why it's a #1 bestseller. 328 feet transmission, so you can go far away from this. And low latency, which is the most important thing. You want your lips to match up. You don't really want to have to be editing that on your PC later on. So the low latency, the long battery life, this has got everything going for it and a great price. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.